Sales Teams is a powerful new feature of CloudQuote. You can organize your salespeople into teams with leaders, team-specific targets, and per-user security settings. To manage your sales teams, go to the Teams section of the Company Admin tab. Teams appear here, with any unallocated users shown below. To begin, add a new team, then provide a name, color, and logo. Now drag your users onto this area to make them team leaders, or this area to make them regular team members. Selecting the team lets you customize the security settings for the members. This setting marks the user as contributing to the team's sales targets when their quotes are accepted. This setting allows the user to see all teams and salespeople in reports and the dashboard. Can See Team allows the user to see other team members in reports and the dashboard. This setting provides the user with the ability to open any quotes made by team members. You can now assign targets to each sales team from the Targets view. Please see the Targets video for more details. On the dashboard, team targets can be viewed depending on the member's security settings. CloudQuote. Click and easy.